Hello there, it's Cholia here again, and in this video I'm going to show you how we can create a certificate using PowerPoint. Okay, and if you are not aware, Microsoft Office is a powerful tool that will enable us to create various things. Like maybe we want to create a certificate, you can use it. You can use Office to create it. You can create business card, you can create a logo, and so many things in Microsoft Office. So today, if you are a consultant, or in that case you are a training consultant, I'm going to show you how to create a certificate that you are going to issue to your student. And if you have been paying other people to create for you certificate, well, this video is for you. So let me show you the kind of a certificate we are going to create. This is the kind of a certificate we are going to create. Right, I'm going to show you how I created this part here like this. I'm going also to show you how I created this watermark or a logo here. I'm also going to create this part here. You will learn how to create also this part. So let's begin with our tutorial. So first thing, I'll come here to new slide, then I'll click a blank slide. From a blank slide you will come here to design. Then from design you will come here to slide size, and then you will come here, click on custom. Then from custom you will select here A4, like the way I've done it here already. Okay, so let's continue. So if you want to see these guidelines, you will come here to view, and then you select on guideline, or I can click also the grid. You will see how it is, but for now we are going to use guidelines alone. So let's begin. So click here home, then you say on insert. You can click here insert, and then you insert shapes. So we are going to select this shape here, rectangle, round corners, and then I'm going to click here and do it like this. Okay, and then from here, let me reduce it a bit. From here we are going to rotate it this way, and then there is a yellow round corner here at the corners here. There is a yellow thing here, circle. So we are going to click it like so. Right, and then I'm going to drag this one to this corner like this. Then first, before we do that, I'm going to right click on this image, and then click here, and then click on file, and then I'll reduce the transparency like so. Then we are going to drag this one like this, and then I'm going to expand it a bit, and then also let me rotate it a bit again like this. Okay, so once we have done that, we are going again to click on this part here, rectangle, and then I'm going to draw this rectangle here like this, and then I'm going to shift click on this one. You double click on it, and then you click on this one also, and then you come here to merge, and then you say intersect. So when you intersect, you cut that other part. Okay, so I'll click here, and then I'll come here to shape tool, and then I'll remove the outline. Okay, and then this one I'm going to put a different color. I'll fill it with black. Okay, and then from here I'm going to control, and then I'll shift like that, drag it a bit like that, and then I'll make it fill color to be white, and then I'm going to click here on send, and then I'll send it back like that. Okay, then the same I'm going again to use to click on my keyboard shift and control, then I'm going to drag a bit like that, and then I'll fill it with a red color, and then we come here to send, then we send it back like that. And then the red part, we are going to reduce it a bit so that it can be uniform like that. Okay, like this. Now we are done with that part, so we are going to select all of them, and then you can right click here, and then you click on group, and then you group all. Okay, so let's continue. Now here we are going to click here on this part here. You click on this rectangle tool, and then you are going to drag like this until it is at the end, and then I'm going to right click, and then I'm going to edit the points. Okay, so I'll edit this point like so, until when you see it is almost straight like that. Okay, then from here I'm going to click on this part, and then I'm going to do like this. Then I'm going also to click on this part, and then I'll reduce it to be that way. Okay, I'm going also to click on this part, and then but I'm also going to reduce this one a bit like that. I'll click also on this part. I click on this part. Let's say we are going to return this one up a bit. Then you manipulate it. You manipulate it until when you feel like it's okay. And then we are going to reduce this one. Come down here. You just need to manipulate it until when you feel like it's okay. Okay, like for me, I'm going to do this way. Right. Let me still work on it, and then I'll tell you when I feel it is okay. Or maybe let's return it back. That. I bet this one is fine. Or we can make it even that way. Let's say this one is okay with us. So I'm going to fill it with a black color. So I'll click here, I'll fill it with black, and then outline, we remove the outline, we don't have the outline there. So I'm going to click on Control on my keyboard, and then I'm going to duplicate, and then I'll click here, it's a white color, and then we are going to send this one back, format, and then we click here, backward, then we say send back. And then again we are going to select the same, okay, you control on your keyboard, and then you, let's say, and then you control on your keyboard, again you select this one like so, and then this one we are going to fill it with a red color, okay, like that, and then we are going also to format, and then we send it back. Now from here we need to arrange our stuff, so I'm going to bring this one until to the corner here, and then this one here. So remember we had the white one, so this is the white one, then we are going to send it at the corner like that, and then I'm going to pull it a bit like so. You see, now we made it perfect. Okay, so this is how we are going to work on it. Then I'm going to group on this one, right click here, no, we have not selected everything. Then I'll click here, group, and I say group. Okay, then we are going to reduce it a bit, let's say like this. This one looks perfect. Then after that we need to click on this text box, and then we drag like this, and then we type the word certificate. Okay, then we are going to select, we look for a good font, let's say maybe which one, whatever font you want to use. Okay, like for me I think this one is good, and then I'll bolden it, I'll click here bold to bolden it, and then I'm going to turn it white, so I'll click here, make it white, and then I'll drag here, so I'm going to center it like so. Then I'll reduce this one a bit, right, and then I'm going to add the font size. Let's say 24 is okay, like that. It depends on you. Okay, but let me reduce mine to be something like 20 is okay. Really, 20, yeah, 20 is okay. And then I'm going to click on this part, click on Control, and then I'm going to bring another text down, but this one I can still bring this one down a bit like so. Remember we have some text here, so we write Control A, and then we are going to make it black in color, and then we will type this is to certify that. Okay, and then I'm going to reduce the font like so. I think that one is okay, but this one, it's not in capital, so we will come here to change case, and then we say capitalized. Then we select, first we need to select it, and then we turn it to lowercase. I don't know why it's not changing to lowercase. Maybe we should leave it like that. And then you need to center it like so, right? And then the next thing, we need to type the name of the student. So again, you shift, then you copy this one, okay, and then we are going to type here Lojokomoy Ekiru. Then we type the name Peter, okay, and then we are going to use a different font. So I'm going to use what we call Alex brush, and then I'll add it to be bigger like so, right? Then also we need to center this one. We need to center it like so. Maybe we reduce a bit. Yes, yeah, 28 is good. And then I'll come and click on this line tool, and then I draw a line there, and then after drawing, I'll click on format, outline, and then we come to weight. From weight, 1.5, okay, and then the color, we are going to make the color black like that, okay. Then we need also to write some other writings, so I'll click on this part, control, and then I'll drag this one down. And then for affings, then we click here, we say for affing satisfactory completed, okay, we will reference, okay. So I'm going to click on this one, say for affing. Don't worry about that one, we are going to change the font. Factory, for having satisfactory completed the prescribed course. Factory completed the prescribed course let me open this one here, of study and passed, okay, course of study and passed let me reference again, the required examination passed, the required examination, comma, he is awarded let's say this one is not there, okay. We select Control A, and then we use Alex brush. Then I'm going to add, let me check if this one is Alex brush 24, okay. So I'm selecting this one, Alex brush 24, and then we are going to bring here the center. Then I'm going to select Control A, and then I'll bring here and I'll say capitalize. Yes, this is how it is. And then we are going to remove the bold. It has to look like this. And then let's bring this one down. Is awarded. And then we are going to click on this part here. Again, Control, and then we change this one, certificate in computer certificate in, let's change this one, certificate in project management, and then put a bracket here. This team, let's say credit, and then close the bracket like that. And then again, there are some things again we are going to click to create. So I'm going to click here and then Control Shift, and then I'll bring it down here. Then we are going to change this one. Then we write on this day, and then we are going to line here, and then we say off, and then again, and then we say 2030. Okay, and then I'm going to enlarge this part here like that, and then we are going to bring it here in the middle. First, let me Control A, and then I center, and then we are going to bring this one in the middle like so. Okay, then after that I'm going to copy the same Control and Shift, and then I'll bring it down here, and then I'm going to delete this one, remember with that, and then Control A, and I'll say Director of Studies, and then we are going to select this one, bring here, then we are going to reduce it, okay, like that, and then I'll bring it down here. Then after that I'm going to bring this one like so. Then I'm going to copy this line and then bring it here, so after this one we are going to select all of this, and then this one we are going to bring it down here, and then we are going to select all of this, we shift and then Control, then we bring it here, and then the downer part we are going to type tutor like that, and then we center it, then we are going to center it like so. Then after this one, now we need to bring our logo here, so we will insert, and then we come here to picture because I had already converted it, and then I'm going to select it is here, I insert it, then we will bring it here like so, and then we will reduce a bit. I think that way is okay, like this, and then again I'm going to insert, and then now we will come here to shapes. From the shapes I'm going to select this shape, and then I'll draw it here like this, and then there is this circle, yellow one, then I'm going to do it that way, and then I'll make the color red, and then I'll remove the outline like so, and then we reduce it a bit, let it be like that. Then I'm going to click here and then shape effect, then shadow. We are going to select this one like this. Then we'll come shape again, glow or other effects, bevel. We will bring it to this one. Okay, select this one, and then we are going to insert picture again, and then go to desktop. Then we select my logo here, white. Then I'm going to bring it here. I'm going to place it there, and then from here we are going to reduce again. We shift it, then and control, we reduce it a bit like that, and then we will come and select this one, or maybe the one you like, the one you feel like it's okay with you, but for me I bet this one is okay, like that. Then the last thing we need to do is now to right click here, and then we format the background. From formatting the background, we click on this fill, and then as you can see it has already populated, but we need this part here, okay, this zigzag. And then from here we are going to reduce it a bit, okay, make it be like that, so that, or maybe like this is okay, like this is okay. And then we are done with our certificate, guys. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing and make sure to click on that notification bell so that you can be notified anytime I post a new video. Also, you can share it with your friends and family so that we can grow and all of them also can learn. Well, thank you guys for watching. See you again.